Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys Oppo mobile home screen setting. And in this video friends I am going to show you guys home screen mode full setting, how to set up home screen mode, how to change home screen mode one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone settings friends, you can see this type interface in your device. So friends, in your device, open your phone home and lock screen setting, and friends click your home screen mode setting. After on home screen mode friends, you can use standard mode, driver mode and simple mode. So friends, one by one we will talk about. First friends, we will click here standard mode. We will apply for standard mode, switch, click here. So friends, how to use standard mode? After set standard mode friends, you cannot swipe here, you cannot use app driver mode in your device. Friends, display all icon will show on your home screen page and you cannot swipe here. So friends, you can use standard mode. Friends, again open your phone setting, home and lock screen setting, click here. Home screen mode friends, click here. Second friends, we will click here app driver mode setting. So friends, display all icon will show in app driver, apply here, switch. And friends, now you can swipe here and you can use app driver, you can use all app in app driver mode. And friends, you cannot use standard mode setting. So like that friends, you can use app driver mode setting. And friends, last we will select simple mode. How to use simple mode setting? Click here friends, simple mode, apply here and switch. And friends, now you can use simple mode. So friends, after on simple mode friends, you can see screen will show this interface. If you on phone setting, so friends, you can use simple mode setting. Mobile network setting, Wi-Fi setting, sound vibration setting, and if you click here all setting, so friends, you can use all setting. So like that friends, you can use simple mode. And you don't want to use friends, last option, exit simple mode, click here and exit. So like that friends, you can use standard mode, app driver mode and simple mode. And friends, now again you want to change, select your mode type, standard, driver and simple, and you can use it. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set up home screen mode, how to change home screen mode in Oppo mobile. And friends, you want to change your home screen layout, so you can change home screen layout, you can lock your home screen layout and you can unlock from here. Bye friends.